Well, hello. My name is Andrew, and I am a librarian with Culpeper County Library. I'm here to talk about growing plants. And I'm going to be doing that with a Leo. Say hi, Leo.
Hi.
And a Lily. Say hi, Lily.
Hi.
So, we were wondering, if we were to plant some seeds, how are they going to grow? Now, a seed needs what three things?
Water, sun, dirt.
All right. But if we plant them, what kind of stuff are we going to plant them in? And how are we going to water them? So, can we use other stuff besides just what? Water. Okay. Now, when a plant grows, it needs what big C word in the sky, in the plant? Remember what it's called? Chlorophyll. All right. All right. So chlorophyll is what the green color that you see in a plant, and that is what's going to convert all the yummy nutrients that they get from the soil and all the water and moisture that they get from the medium that they're planted in. And that's what's going to convert everything with the sun into yummy plant food and to make us those nice, yummy vegetables. Right?
Yes.
Right? Yeah. All right. So Lily and Leo and I are going to do a science experiment. And we're going to try to plant seedlings, or plant pea seeds, make seedlings, and we're going to try to see not only what grows best above the soil, but what grows best below the soil. Because if you have good, strong roots, do you have good, strong roots? Do you have good, strong roots? Okay. So then when we plant Lily and Leo in the soil, we're going to be able to see how big and strong that they get. I mean, how big and strong the plants get. You ready?
Yes.
You ready? So for this experiment, we're going to need dirt. Delicious dirt. Smell. Yeah. Smell. Nothing but topsoil and organic materials. Okay? We're going to need toilet paper tubes. Again, things that you already have around your home. You're going to need seeds. See? Seeds. We chose pea seeds because we know that peas are going to grow very tall, but they also need to make very good roots. So it's a great way to cheaply and easily test the mediums that we're going to be planting. We also need some containers. Cheap old bowls that we had lying around the house. You can also use plastic cups. You could use small containers. You could use shot glasses, egg cartons, whatever you decide you want to choose. There's no right or wrong answer. The only thing I would recommend doing is that making sure that whatever container that you're going to do is that they are relatively tall. Because remember, we're testing the height of a plant, and we're testing how far deep it will actually make those roots. We're also going to need a Sharpie marker of sorts. And of course, we have our 4 liquids. So our first liquid is
water. Our second one is coffee.
So I just made a pot of coffee this morning. This is just what's left over. So parents, if you're making your pot of coffee in the morning and you have a little bit left over to put inside the plant, please do.
Next is apple juice.
Oh, is that what your favorite is?
Yes.
Is this what you guys need to grow?
No.
Okay.
But it is good for us.
Oh, it is?
Next is a sports drink.
The sports drink. Because it's got electrolytes. It's got what plants need. All right.
So it's good for plants and humans.
Well, that's what we're going to check. But sports drinks, that's a whole other movie that we would have to make about sports drinks. All right. You ready to get planting?
Yes.
Okay. So, we're going to take our bowls.
I'm Papa.
You're going to be purple? You be purple. You want it to be blue? Okay. I guess I will get yellow. Orange. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, Daddy's going to take the coffee and the sports drink.
Hey, I was going to have that. I already started, remember?
Wow. Okay. You didn't want to do the water?
I wanted to do what I do. Yeah.
Sports drink.
Yeah.
Okay. So with your marker, mark down on the side of your paper tube roll what you're going to be using. You can use any sort of labels that you want to use. For us, we're just going to use C for coffee, SD for sports drink. Lily will put down A for apple juice. And you can either put W for water or my personal favorite, H2O. That is 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. You want to put AJ on your... Fantastic. Look at those letters. Can you believe that, folks? She's 6. All right. So now we need to fill our paper tubes with dirt. All right. So take a handful, start filling. So you guys know what soil is made up of? You know?
Yes.
What is it? You actually don't know. Well, I'll tell you. So soil actually contains a few basic ingredients. It contains micronutrients. It contains a little bit of sand or small little itty-bitty rocks and other little itty-bitty bits that go in the soil, such as sometimes even bugs, hair. But this soil is typically going to have organic matter, which is like old leaves and sticks and twigs, and a little bit of sand and maybe some mulch.
Yeah, because I found mulch pieces.
You did?
Yeah.
Okay.
Which I still put in.
Very good. All right. All right, so now that our paper tubes are filled with soil, we have to add the seed, right?
Yes.
All right.
Yay.
All righty.
One seed in each one.
Is that so? Are you sure? 100%?
No.
You're not sure?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? Well, actually, your brother's right. It was 1 seed in each one. So, each of you grab 1 seed. Boop.
Thank you.
1 seed. Boop. And I guess I got 2 seeds because I've got 2 plants. Okay? We're going
What
to take...
are the circle ones?
Uh-oh,
got my seed.
All right.
I think I can find it. See it. I got it.
Okay.
Action.
All right, so you're going to take your seed, put it in the center of your little cup, boop, and with your finger, you're press it down a little bit. Beep. So you're only going down about the tip of your finger, from here to here. Okay? So that'd be right around 1 centimeter, maybe 1.5 centimeters, or the equivalent of right around 1/4 to 1/2 inch at most.
And my IC was like in a hood, but I made it into
Okay.
flat.
So now you're going to cover it over just a little bit and just kind of cover it up with the dirt.
That's what I did.
You already did it?
I
Look at
made
you.
it flat.
You're too good. You good, Lil?
I thought way
All right.
ahead.
All right, so then you're going to take, of course, your liquid. So in this case, we have water.
And my liquid is Powerade. How much Powerade?
Okay. You don't need a terrible amount, because remember, we're working with cardboard tubes because we don't want them to be too wet. But we want them enough to be able to keep the plant moist.
Can you please let me open it?
Sure. Do I get a sip? Mmm. Delicious. You want a sip?
Me too.
You want one too?
Delicious.
Delicious. Very good? All right.
Now let's pour.
All right, so Lily, I will do the pouring because that's a big cup. That's a big thing, okay? All right. So, just gonna...
Mine isn't as big. I'm still letting you do it.
All right, so we guys gotta let that...
It's not soaking as quick as it did with the water.
Maybe there's a reason for that.
Why?
Well, sports drinks, which is why we don't want to drink too many of them sometimes. They have lots of things like sugar. And they also have other minerals, and like potassium, and other salts that are going to be in the water. So, too much salt. Do a lot of things grow right next to the ocean?
No.
No. So, because there's a lot of what in the water? Salt. So, if there's salt in this, let's see how this plant is going to grow. Okay?
Not gonna be so quick.
Maybe not be so quick. Maybe so. All right, now apple juice.
Yum.
All right, so apple juice is mostly what in this case?
Apples and water.
Apples and water. Very, very good. So apples have a lot of sugar, natural sugar, luckily, but they still have a lot of sugar. And then they've got the water. So let's see how they grow. Okay.
Vienna's a bit slower than mine. Mine's
Okay.
doing it slower than mine. Have two good things.
All right. So there's the water, the juice, and the sports drink.
Next,
And last but not least, coffee.
coffee.
No? Shouldn't do that? Okay.
You could.
I could?
Yeah.
I'm not going to, though. All right. So here's my little bit of coffee.
Turns out a lot.
All right. And we'll see how that goes.
That's not human.
It's going down a little bit.
Yeah.
Slowly but surely, inch by inch. All right. So,
It's fine.
of course, now we have to play the waiting game. So we have to wait until these pea plants grow. Are you going to sit there for the next couple of days and watch them grow?
No.
No. But what do we have to do, like, every day?
Look at it and feed it more of what a drinks are.
That's exactly right.
Yeah.
All right.
So-
So that's why you want to make sure that you have good labels on each of your drinks.
So I would be getting a sports drink.
Yep.
Your Powerade.
The Powerade.
And Daddy would be getting
Or any other
the
non-discrete
coffee and water.
drink. Yep, and we'll have some coffee, we'll have some apple juice, and of course, water. Now, water. When we use water, because we know water is going to make plants grow, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we can easily say that we can almost guarantee with good certainty that water is going to work, right?
Yes.
Okay. But we just don't know about the other drinks like the sports drink, the coffee, or the apple juice. So you can use any liquids that you want. However, I would recommend avoiding drinks such as milk. Milk has a tendency to spoil and start smelling funny after a couple of days, which is why you should not put it in your compost pile. Now, we're going to periodically check back and we're going to take pictures and post them on the Culpeper County Library Facebook page to show the status of our plants that are growing above the soil. we won't be able to show below the soil until the end of the experiment. Now, we anticipate, since today is Earth Day, that we should have some good plants by the end of the month.
Hey, I thought Earth Day was tomorrow.
No, today is Earth Day.
Oh.
So, today being Earth Day, we should have some small plants by the end of the month. If not, we should have some plants by the end of May. So please follow us on our Facebook page, or you can always check on cclva.org, and we're going to try to post some videos through the Culpeper County Library's Facebook and YouTube channels. Please also keep in mind that we want to know about your experiments. So share with us either on our Facebook page or on our YouTube channel any of your awesome pea plant experiments that you're going to try out with us. So thank you very much for watching this wonderful video. Thank you, Lily. Did your brother like sprout and grow and leave already? He became a leaf and he left? It's a leaf joke? It's a tree joke? Is that good? So the wind does blow the leaves back to us, apparently. Thank you very much for watching. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day.